Good morning, children. Yesterday we have solved some problems in that exercise 11 point, I think 11.2 now. The remaining part today we have to complete it too. Okay. Yesterday we have found that missing terms by using area of parallelogram. Now another question, third question, page number. What is this page number? 217. Exercise 11.2, question number 4. Question number 4. Children, actually yesterday just we have missed that finding area of triangle in the diagrams I have given now. That you need to complete today also. Okay, directly as I explained previously how to find the area of triangle, you can complete that Roman number 2 also. Okay, now the question number 4, missing term. What is given here? Base of a triangle is given. B is equal to 15 centimeters and area of triangle is given. Area of triangle is given 87 centimeters square. Then what we need to, what is the blank given here? Height is given as a question mark. The missing term height is here. Okay. Now let me find area of a triangle. Formula. Half base into height square units. What is the area of triangle given here? 87. Half base means base is given now. Height means what is given? Height. It's not given. Okay. Now 1 into 15. 15 by 2 into h is equal to 87. Then h is equal to 87 into 2 by 15. Am I right? This 15 by 2 while transposition it becomes reciprocal now. So it reverse 2 by 15. Now 287. 14 and 2 8 16, 17 by 15. That number 15 1 are 15. 2 4. Okay. Again 15 1 are 15. 24 minus 15 9. 9 0 90. 15 6 are 90. Therefore h is equal to 11.6 centimeters. 11.6 centimeters. Clear, children? That's good. In this only, yesterday we left one problem on Roman. I will solve one example here. That is from second Roman. Here in this problem only, 3 problems I have given nearly. So one I solve, remaining 2 you need to find. Okay. Now let me explain second Roman. Here, see, look here. I will give you a diagram here. Like this. Like this is given. This is 5 centimeters and this is 3.2. Okay. Okay, children. Same. What are given? Sir, triangle it is given like this, na? Don't think that this is only base. Any side can become base. According to our convenience, here the height is given this one, na? So you must consider this one as a base, and this is as a height. Now given base of a triangle (5 centimeters) and height of a triangle h is equal to 3.2 centimeters. Now area of triangle half base into height square units, that implies half. Base means 5, height means 3 point. That implies 2 ones, 1.6. Okay. Here here 6 by the 80, right? 8 means 0. Therefore, area of triangle is 8 centimeters square. Okay, 8 centimeter square. Right. Shall I write this? Okay, children. Question number 5. Question number see, I'll read the question. PQRS is a parallelogram in figure 11.23. QM is the height from Q to SR and QN is the height from Q to PS. Very good. If SR is equal to 12 centimeters and QM is equal to 7.6 centimeters, very good. SR is equal to how much? 12 centimeters. And find area of parallelogram PQRS. Previously one example I have solved. Here I'll draw the diagram here. Clearly look at me, all of you. This is parallelogram P, Q, R, S. Okay, and QM is the height from Q with respect to SR base, and one more thing, QN. Here it is one more height is given. Qn is the height from Q only with base PS. Now what are the measurements given here? First one has given QR. QM is 7.6. This one is given 7.6 centimeters. And SR is equal to 12 here. 12 centimeters. Am I right? And QM is also given. Okay, given. Okay. Let me find first. Given first question I am solving. Given base of parallelogram PQRS. Centimeters. And height of parallelogram PQRS is equal to 7.6 centimeters. Am I right? Now area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram formula. Base into height, that implies base 12 into 7.6, that implies 12 6 are 72, 7, 12 7 are how much? 12 7 are 84, 84 plus 7, 91.2 centimeters square. This is the area of parallelogram PQRS. Okay, that is first question completed. Second question, here the second, see the textbook. In the second question, what is given? Find QN. We need to find the length of the QN. This is if what is that? If PS is equal to 8 centimeters. This is given as 8 centimeters. Okay. What is given here? Given base of a parallelogram PQRS is equal to 8 centimeters is given. Okay. Here what we need to find? QN. Okay. Now let QN be X centimeters. Am I right? Shall I solve here? Now area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to formula base into height. That applies. That applies. What is the base here? 8 na? 8 into x. 8x. Sorry. Okay. But the same x we need to find now. Therefore, ATP 8x is equal to how much we got in area? 91.2. That is x is equal to 91.2 by 8. Okay, 8 11 88, 4 2, 8 4 32. Okay, therefore Qn is equal to 11.4 centimeter. Got it, children? Same. Already we have solved one problem. See, first one directly we have found the area of parallelogram by using formula, that is 91.2 centimeters square. But the second question here, we have started second question. The second question, if PS is equal to 8 centimeters, then find the length of the Qn. Again, if we consider PS is a base, then Qn becomes as a height. Again, the area of parallelogram base is the height. So 8 into x we got it. But the same parallelogram area in the previous problem we have found that is 91.2. That is why 91.2. So x is equal to this. By extending 8 by transposition, it becomes division. So 91.2 by 8, 11.4. Okay. Okay, children, write this. Okay, children, right. Children, now we are going to discuss about circle, its area of the circle and perimeter of the circle. Okay. Now, first of all, circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. Children, the remaining problems you need to complete in that exercise 11.2. Now today we have started a discussion about perimeter of circle and area of circle. While come to the circle, perimeter we should not call as a perimeter. It can be considered as it can be called as circumference. Children, for example, look here. I'll tell you on this one. See, this is circle. Am I right? And this is circle. Okay? Actually, this is diameter. This is also diameter. Okay. For example, if this is circle C1 and this is circle C2. Circle 1, circle 2. For example, this is from here, circumference means nothing but the boundary line of the circle only. From here to, how can we measure boundary line? We cannot bend scale. Am I right? Can we bend the scale to measure the circumference? No, no. Scale is straight thing. Now, how can you find? There is an experiment. Let us take a thread. Thread is there now. First initial point of thread you can keep here and measure it. Keep on. Replace the thread on the circle, and there you can cut it. Then length will come now. Let it be okay. That is circle A. This is circumference. That is C. Okay. The length of the circle is length of this one. Okay. And this is diameter now. If you do for whatever the circles, number of circles, small circular, big circular, small circular, big circle, that this diameter and this diameter and this circumference, the ratio of the diameter and circumference should be a constant. Okay. For example, if you do like this, or else otherwise, and one more small circle I will draw here. Here, this is the yellow circle, and here also, and here also. All the, if you do experiment, okay, all the C by D is the constant. That constant letter should be denoted by pi. That constant letter should be denoted by pi. Means here node point. Okay, the ratio between diameter and circumference of a circle should be constant. Okay, it can be denoted by pi, a Greek letter pi. Therefore, C by D is equal to pi. That implies C by D means 2R is equal to pi, which implies C is equal to 2 pi R. Therefore, formula: circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi R. Am I right? Therefore, circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi R. Am I right, children? So, now I'll give you formula for area of triangle. Area of circle. Okay, let it be. For this also there is a small experiment, and try a small circle here. And make it to pieces. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means this is R. Am I right? Radius of the circle. Okay. Now, suppose if you divide all these into like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Sector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means, see, half of the circle comes under the base and half of the circle comes under the top. And here, what is this? R. Am I right? This is radius only, na? Am I right? Now, actually, this is how much? Pi r only, na? Am I right? Because total is 2 pi r, then the half length of the circle is pi r. Am I right? Now, for example, here area of rectangle formula. As we know that L into B, here length means this is pi r, breadth means this is r, that implies pi into r at r, pi r square. Therefore, area of a circle formula pi r square units. This is the formula. Okay, and this is the circumference of a circle formula 2 pi r, area of a circle formula pi r square. Clear, children? These two you can do it in as an experiment activity. Okay, write this all of you.